How's it going, people? Welcome back to the BM Collects channel. We've got the TOPPS Deco. It has made it onto the BM Collects channel. We didn't have to wait too long for another football box to be opened. So football returns. We've got these for the UEFA club competitions, Champions League, Europa League, Conference League, and the women's as well, Women's Champions League. So we've got 4 competitions. We could get any cards from those comps. It includes 10 cards per box, 8 packs, 3 numbered cards, 1 autograph, and there could also be some bonus autographs as well in these boxes. So hopefully we can get some of that in this box. Let's rip it open. First pack, see what we get. It's quite heavy, the box as well, so maybe there might be something good in that. Alright, we've got David Silva, Roberto Firmino, Ruben van Bommel, Giorgio Scalvini, or Mikel Merino of Arsenal, and we've got something here. Let's see what the number is. It's to 50. Okay. It's a slow reveal. Oh, okay. So we've got a Marcus Rashford, number 31 of 50. Very nice. Very nice start to the pack. Let's put that to the side. Very nice. We'll continue on the back, sorry. We've got Emilio Lawrence, Dejani Reinders, Ryan Cherky, Jeremy Doku, and then David Neres, and obviously, like I said, Mikel Merino. Very nice. Very nice start to the pack. Got a Marcus Rashford to start off. Next pack. I've got Ibrahima Konate. Ooh, George Weah. another Mikel Merino. Thibaut Courtois. Georgi Kinkladze and Oscar Bob. So it's like a then and now card. Very nice. Angel Di Maria. Samuel Eto'o. Ooh, and one club, Lucas Chevalier and Mary Earps. Alessandro Del Piero. Rookie card, Joe Bellingham. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's see what we get in the next one. Got another one club, Chonoluglu and Magul. Jeremy Doku. Ooh, Didier Drogba and João Pedro, then and now. We got Antias Sul. Raul of Real Madrid. Oh, maybe this is an insert, I believe. Yeah, it's an insert. Pablo Garcia, rookie card. Scott McTominay. Liam Delap. Oh, this is a good one. Vinny Jr. and Linda Caicedo. Another Angel Di Maria card. And then a Kim Min-jae of Bayern Munich. A lot of one clubs so far in the box. Obviously, just the one numbered card so far to 50 with Marcus Rashford. We've got 2 more to go, and then we've still got our auto as well, so not too bad. All right, we've got a Kenan Yildiz. Another one club, Julia Gwynn and Joshua Kimmich. the one clubs there. We've got Mario Balotelli. Oh, okay. We've got Modern Marvels Nuno Mendes. Thiago Silva. Jonathan Tah of Bayern. Oh, okay. And then and now Johan Wissa and Alan Shearer. Another one club, Kavi and Alexia Putellas. David Silva. And then Ibrahima Konate. Alright, we've got Dean Hewson, Vinicius Jr., Guti, Evan Ferguson, who's on loan still, I think at Roma, I believe. Kitsudoan of Frankfurt, Santiago Castro. Oh, okay. We've got our next numbered card. It is Jeremy Frimpong, 10 out of 25. That's quite nice, actually. Very nice. We'll keep the numbered there. So 25 and off 50. Not too bad, not too bad. Florian Wirtz, Joao Quanza, and then a Franco Mastuano rookie card, and Nathaniel Brown. Excellent. Now, let me know in the comments if you would like to see more of the Topps Chrome Deco box. It's definitely a good box because you get 3 numbered cards in there. And obviously, let me know if you want to see more football content as well. Leave a like, comment as well in the vid so far. What's your best player? Obviously, at the end, we'll do a review of all the players that we get. Got 3 more packs to go. Still yet to get our auto, so hopefully it's a good auto. The build-up's quite tense. All right, we've got, I think this is our 3rd Angel Di Maria of the box. Eberechi Eze. And there we go, look, our second Modern Marvels Nuno Mendes. We've got Jonathan David. We've got another Hakan Çalhanoğlu and Lena Magul. Tijani Reinders. And then our second as well, Georgi Kinklat and Oscar Bob. Tian Coop Miners. Yeah, it's something different. One club, Eva Pacho and Robert Lewandowski. And then David Neres. 2 more packs to go. I've got Roberto Firmino, Evan Ferguson, Xavi Simons, Cody Gakpo, Chris Wood. How many Modern Marvels Nuno Mendes is this box going to give me? That's my 3rd one of the box. Oh, let's go. All right, we have our autograph, and it is Juan Mata. The number is 296. It's not too bad, but it's a nice auto. Juan Mata to 96. Not too bad, not too bad. One club, Lucas Chevalier Mariops, William Saliba, and Robert Perez, and then a Kylian Mbappe. Last pack, I think we've got 1 more numbered card to go, so hopefully that's a low number. Got a lot of duplicates though as well in the pack, so Let's see. Oh, okay. This is a nice design. It's Lamine Yamal. Very nice. I got Harry Kane. Nikola Zilowski. We've got Alvaro Carreras. We've got Jude Bellingham. So we've got both the Bellingham brothers. We've got Joe Bellingham on the rookie card, and then we've got Jude Bellingham of Real Madrid. We've got Atakan Karazor. We've got John Collins. Jean-Philippe Mateta. Kitsu Doan. And then a Federico Valverde to finish off the box. Not too bad. I'll round up the thing, round up the box, put it in a sleeve, and then I'll do a recap of what we got. To recap, we got 3 numbered cards as promised from the box, starting off with our autograph as well. It was Juan Mata, 66 to 96. And then we had Marcus Rashford of Barcelona, numbered 31 to 50. And then the best pull being Jeremy Frimpong, which was 10 out of 25. That rounds up the box for the TOPPS Deco 2025-2026. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you thought was the best pull from the box. With all the cards that I get, mainly like the base ones, I like to sell them on eBay. If you'd like to have a personal collection of the box, of the cards, feel free to have a look out on my eBay. I'll be selling them on there. And yeah, let me know if you'd like to see more football content as well. Obviously we've done the TOPPS Finest 2024-25 and now the TOPPS Deco. Let me know if you'd like to see more boxes being opened on this channel. As always, leave a comment, subscribe and like the video. It'll be much appreciated. Definitely gives me encouragement to go do more content for you guys. And yeah, thank you very much. Peace out. See you on the next one. Take care.